Students, let's take the second problem in the exercise 1.2. Second problem is Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Students, answer for this question. Number of runs Shekhar wishes to complete. Students, number of runs Shekhar wishes to complete equal to 10,000. Number of runs Shekhar scored so far. Number of runs Shekhar scored so far is 6,980. More runs he needed to complete 10,000 runs. More runs he needed to complete 10,000 runs equal to. Students, Shekhar wishes to score 10,000 runs. He already scored 6,980. So he need some more runs to complete 10,000, isn't it? So what we have to do? Subtract. If we subtract 6,980 from 10,000, we will get the runs he needed to complete 10,000 runs. Okay. So we have to subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. Students, here 0 minus 8. It is difficult to subtract 8 from 0. So we have to borrow 10 from here. But here also 0. So we have to here we have to borrow 10 from here. Here also 0. So this place. If we borrow 10 from here, it becomes 0. 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 10. Okay. If we borrow 10 from here to this point, this number, it becomes 9. Here 10, it becomes 9. This becomes 10. If we borrow 10 from here, it becomes 9. It becomes 10. So this is 10, this is 9, this is 9 and this is 0. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. So here 0, don't write 0. 3020. Shekhar need 3020 runs to complete 10,000 runs. Okay, this is the answer. Students, let's take the third problem. Third problem. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Students, answer for this problem. Answer for this problem. Number of votes secured by successful candidate. Number of votes secured by successful candidate equal to 5,77,500. Number of votes secured by rival candidate. Number of votes secured by rival candidate equal to 3,48,700. Students, number of margin votes. Number of margin votes. We have to subtract. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Difficult to subtract 7 by 5. So, borrow 10 from here. Students, if we borrow 10 from here, it becomes 6. It becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Students, here 6. It is difficult to subtract 8 from 6. So once again borrow 10 from here. It becomes 6. It becomes 16. 16 minus 8, 8. This is 6. 6 minus 4, 2. And 5 minus 3 becomes 2. 2,28,800 is the margin votes. Okay.